How to limit your profile visibility on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, simply tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. It will land us to your profile. So what you simply need to do is tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. So select on the hamburger icon and it will give us various options. So you just need to select on the option of settings and privacy over here. So tap on it. So as you tap on settings and privacy, as you scroll down, you'll be able to see the option of content and display, the category over here, and under content and display, you can see the option of audience controls. So tap on it. As you tap on audience and controls, you can see the option of age 18 and older. So just toggle on this option and this will limit your profile, future videos and live videos to those age 18 and older. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.